Oh, okay. What's up, y'all? Kwame C. Brown. I'm finna do a freestyle off of Rick Ross. Uh, let's go. I'ma do this shit because I like to do it. I ain't forcing you shit. You can't force me. Hold up. Uh, it's Seek the B, or Seek the Brown. You know the bad chick out of H-Town with the brown thing following behind me. Back the fuck up, nigga. Can't you see my ass in heat? I flip scripts and write rhymes on the regular. Every time I come through, I know them bitches scared of her. They sitting there like, damn, Sita is a metaphor? A metaphor? But guess what? You are the whore door. But every time I come through, you got a wreck shot. And then I flip scripts and rip rhymes off top. I go to the mall and buy what the fuck that I want. And then you sit in there crying, look, you gon' spunk. I'm the baddest chick in the fucking city. Every time I come through, everybody gonna feel me. If you don't feel me, your bitches gon' have to see me. We gonna have a fucking meeting. Your bitch ass is on the TV. You know it's Seek the Brown. They call my name. I got them going crazy, yup, insane. I know I'm on their brain when they sleeping at night. Yo, baby mama mad like that shit ain't right. You need to get your weight up if you wanna fight. You need to pull your pants up if you think you tight. I don't die though. I like niggas though. Flip scripts, write rhymes. I'm all about my cash flow. You will never see me break. You will never see me bend. I'm the baddest little chick once again. Here we go again. Every time I come through, I bring a couple of friends. Woo! You know I'm Seek the Brown, round and round. Every time I come through, I turn them all around. You would never ever battle this chick for real. Every time I come through, you look like Maria. Sick up in the face, I'm thick up in the waist. Cute up in the face, nobody ever take my place. I'm irreplaceable, bitch, I'm untouchable. Bitch, I'm unstandable, unremandable. It's Kwame C. Brown, about to flip it again. And every time I come through, you know I'm in it to win. Just ask your man, that bitch owe me 10 pairs of Jimmy Choo. Look at my fucking shoes, broke bitch. Get your money up. You hating on me cause you just still a hood slut? I'm a superstar. Look at my car. Look at the grill that my nigga put in my car. But now you hating on me because I came up. We supposed to give each other dabs. I'm like, what the fuck? You hating cause a bitch better than you? Well, honestly, on the real, I would hate me too. Woo! You know I'm Seek the Brown. I got him screaming. I got them feeling. Yep, I'm what they needed. I'm like in they veins. I'm their blood circle. And then I got them so throw wearing looking Urkel. You would never see me broke again. Every time I come through, I bring 4, 5 friends. Cause it don't matter. I'm all about my chatter. You flip scripts and write rhymes. Yeah, you on a platter. I'ma eat these hoes. No homo though. You know rapping, bitch, you my food, let's go. But if you don't like me, I don't give a damn. Flip scripts, right rhyme. Here I am. That's me, bitch.
That shit.